moves like a J in the scheme. In actuality, I do it for the realest team. I mean, it's life or death, they just wanna kill a dream. When I wake up, I have a show in the Philippines. And if you didn't know, well, it's original. I sent my message, it could never be subliminal. My vision is maximum, your vision's looking minimal. Tell me how it feels to be digital. Dictionary dream, so you know I'm always looking up. It feels good, but it never feels good enough. It's on my mind like a brain cell, trying to play the game well. Money's only money, how does fame smell? Listen, so they tell me that we murky, but I gotta put that work in. If I wanna paint a picture that to me is looking perfect. And the point I'm trying to make is that I live my life pretty big. Gotta hold it down for my city kid.
Now you can get with this, or you can get with that, cause we doing it big, and we bridging the gap. Yeah, we be on the road, but you know where it's at, and you know where it's at, and you know where it's at. We only making hits, you hear that bass clap. We do it for our city, putting Philly on the map. No matter where we go, you know we bringing it back, cause we be bringing it back, cause we be bringing it back.
Look, I'm about to do my thing. She say, what you call that? She say I'm a effing trick. I say I ain't fall yet. Dealing with some lost souls, don't know where to go. Yeah, got the crowd tripping and slipping because my flow. Where I know them suckers see us, they really wanna be us. Talking about us over lunch and they jealous.